Hey Honda friends, today we have a walk around of the 2024 Passport Black Edition.
The Black Edition is new for the 2024 model year and is now the top trim Passport that you can get. Some things on the exterior that you get with the Black Edition are this new grille, which I think looks really nice. Coming around to the side, you do have 20-inch gloss black alloy rims. And I really do love this radiant red color. It plays well with all the black accents that you get. And another spot that you do get some of those black accents are around back in here, where you do have Black Passport and Black Edition badging. You also do get a lot of interior upgrades with the Black Edition. One of the first things you'll notice is this red accent stitching and perforation in these seats. Now these front seats are heated and cooled, which is unique to the Black Edition, and also these rear outside seats are heated. You also get red ambient lighting. It lines the door panels and the cup holders as well. And also for the 24 model year, this is on all Passports, but you get this really nice big center console. And you top it all off with the premium 10-speaker, 540-watt sound system.
Thanks for joining this week's walk around. We'll see you next time.